Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Y, and let's talk about why saving and smart spending really matter, especially when you're hustling outside a regular job, especially when you're working for yourself or hustling outside a regular job. I learned the hard way running my own company. Sometimes things went sideways fast. Maybe I'd misjudged my costs or material prices shot up out of nowhere. If I hadn't put something aside, I would have been done for. That's how I learned savings aren't just about planning for the future. They're about surviving the unexpected and having the freedom to act without panic. So what does smart spending look like? It's not just pinching pennies on groceries. For me, it's always knowing the difference between a want and a need, making sure every big purchase moves my business or my life forward, and refusing to chase every shiny new thing just because it's on sale. Some months, I even made a game out of seeing how low I could keep my spending. Those dollars left over, they're what saved me when the unexpected hit. Here are a few ideas that work. Number 1, stick a percentage of every payment, no matter how small, into savings automatically. Number 2, split your spending into must-have, nice-to-have, and future builder categories. #3, every time you want to buy something, ask, will this help me keep going if a job falls through? Or is it just making me feel better right now? Building good savings takes discipline, but it gives you real control over your next move, whether that's growing your business, surviving a slow month, or just breathing easier when life happens. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and tap the bell, and check my bio for more solid finance tips you can use right now. Let's keep building smart habits together, one step at a time.